calling Mr. Prime Minister. Welcome.
Your Excellency.
阁下 It's a great pleasure to see you again.
Thank you.
谢谢您，
Nice to see you.
很高兴再次见到您。
Permanent Secretary for Foreign Affairs
外交部秘书，
and our counselor in Beijing office.
我们在北京代表处的主任。好，这个
本期你的那个中国国家事务习案过境随记。
noticeable achievement in this respect, and I wish to express my congratulations. 我坚信，在您强有力的，也将有助于我们两国人民共同提升福祉。Noticeable achievement